How to delete a record by id in Flask-SQLAlchemy. I have users table in my MySQL database. This table has id, name and age fields. How can I delete some record by id? Now I use the following code. But I don't want to make any query before delete operation. Is there any way to do this? I know, I can use db.engine.execute delete from users where id equals ... but I would like to use delete method.
You can do this. Or make sure to commit for delete to take effect.
Just want to share another option. This URL. In this example, the following codes for works fine.
In SQLAlchemy 1.4, 2.0 style, you can do it like this. Or in my opinion, using select, update, delete is more readable. Style comparison 1.0 versus 2.0 can be found here.
Another possible solution, especially if you want batch delete.
If you want the same warning, 3 античонки для subscribing.